Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I did this really quick and simple makeup look. This will be more so a get ready with me, so I won't be talking through the steps. However, all the products that I use will be listed down in the description box. Also, at the end of this video I will be collaborating to give away a $75 ULTA gift card. So if you guys will be interested in the giveaway, please continue to watch till the end.
Here we go.
Invincible.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So now moving on to the details of the giveaway. So in today's video I collaborated with a clothing brand called Catchy's Tea, and she was nice enough to sponsor an ULTA gift card valued at $75 for me to give away to you guys. So it's really simple to enter. So this is actually an Instagram giveaway, so you do need to have an Instagram account to be able to enter. And the first thing you need to do is follow the both of us. Links will be down in the description bar. You need to comment tagging 3 friends under the post on Instagram, and also share it to your story and tag the both of us. And that's all you need to do to enter this giveaway. So the t-shirts that I'm wearing in this video are actually from her brand. 2 of them are personalized printings that I asked her to do for me. But yeah, please go ahead and check out her website. Today is Black Friday, and she does have a Black Friday deal, which when you buy 2 items you get 1 for free, and you also get free shipping. So please go and check her out. All the links and everything will be down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to enter the giveaway.